don't wanna bore you with my trouble. But there's something about you.
Hi there, my friends in Ireland. First gaming ko ito kasama yung aking friend na napakaganda. Andito kami sa Dapol. This is in Timog. So, ito yung kanilang actually this is a new bar, no?
It's been around for 12 years already.
12 years, I haven't been here. Okay, so yun na yun, 12 years. And ito yung ito yung ambience niya. Maybe you'd like to see. Okay?
Two hearts